So let's start by talking about the obvious. I'd say the elements like water and earth signs get along well, right? Do very well the same way that air and fire signs do very well. I see this a lot in mainstream astrology, right? And the average astrology viewer would agree, and they tap into that a lot anyway. They tap into it, want to know more about it, definitely want to hear about it. You know what I mean? And that statement is not painted with a broad enough brush, but it seems to get a lot of credit for covering so much of the areas. And it's just like, nah, it's not that simple because it's not that significant, should I say, because, and I'm going to speak about water and earth because I'm coming from experience, right? So we do well because naturally we receive, because earth and water signs are feminine signs. They're also negative signs. So that means the charge is the pull. The charge is the pull. So if we are naturally born to receive, the both of us, what can happen is, yeah, we're gonna get along, but it could be like dating your bestie. It could be like marrying your bestie. It could be like girl on girl or guy on guy, I guess. Like, so what I mean to say is like you can end up becoming each other's lunch. You can end up eating each other. Not like literally, but you understand what I'm saying? It's like you could end up manipulating the other person to receive from them when it's just like y'all are both are supposed to receive from the world naturally. But let's say you're the woman and I'm the man, right? You may be under the belief that I should be outside doing something external, working on something with my hands in society outside of the house because I'm the man. And if I'm a Pisces and I choose to want to build like a photography studio inside of the house and I work from home like that, now I'm home with you. And you might be buying old furniture off eBay and bringing it home and refurbishing it and selling it online. So now we both at home all day, every day. And I'm not asking you, you like, yo, where's the car grease, my nigga? No car grease, no coming in here talking loud and where's my plate and throwing your shirt on the floor, missing the hand button. I'm like none of that. Where's the sweat, my nigga? Like none of that. Eventually it can. I'm not saying this is what happens, but a lot of the times this happens and people be in the comment section like, no, a Pisces never, or a Cancer never. It's not happening because of certain of these reasons that I'm bringing up, or others. You know what I mean? So there's that part because when a feminine sign is doing what a feminine sign is supposed to do naturally, and then they're ostracized because of gender and stereotypes as well, then you can understand how some people be psychologically messed up too. A lot of that is happening right now. You see the results of that a lot if you look online and you see people actually explaining their stories, right? Men especially grabbing microphones and telling their stories now. Men are actually opening up and being like, yo, I'm psychologically, tragically like damaged from trying to be a cog inside of a area that I never fit in, like never. But I was just like mandated to be there. Some people are calling it woke culture. I'm not gonna say that because, you know, that's how people be trying to undermine shit. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, it's that part.